Start with the name of Allah, who's the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Learn. Friends, today we learn that how we can write the text on the song, how we can add the picture, how we can edit our voice in any video. So it is a very easy and how we can make the video of our pictures and many things of a one app. Friends, what you have to do? First of all, you have to go to Play Store. Then you have to write here KineMaster Pro, which only you will write the KineMaster, then it will be show. This is already installed in my cell phone. Remind me later, you have to click here cancel and you have to do here edit. You can take the size. I will take this size. Any media you can take it from this. And you can take the layers. If you will take the media, then you can take the layer. I selected this. Again I will select this. Okay, done. So I selected this. If I want to cut and copy and paste, I want to add the anything, so what I will do, I will go to layer. I can take the pictures. I can take the pictures as well as I can write anything. If I won't write anything, then I can select the colors and etc. And if I want to do record my voice, so I can record voice by here starting, and audio I can take, which is stored in my cell phone. And after doing this process, you have to click this arrow, all process. Then you have to export your video or your picture. So if you want to take your pictures, so you can edit this easily. And again you want to edit, you can go again, click the edit and pictures. Many things you can do. If you want to cut it, you can cut, and you have to select the OK, speed control, color filter. Many options are here by which you can write the status, you can make the songs in your pictures. Many things you can do this app. Friend, still you don't like and subscribe my channel, so kindly like and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.